So at the end of the day at DeKalb Central, what we want for our students, we want them to have as many different experiences as they can possibly have so that they can each find their own pathway to success. And when they cross that stage and they get that diploma and they go out in life and we see them succeed and we see them take on challenges and they come back to us, that's what makes it all worth it.
Manufacturing is such a broad topic, right? It's anything from programming to machining to robotics to automation to quality control, you name it, and I'm only listing 4 or 5 of them, right? There's so many things that manufacturing encompasses.
Maintenance people, we need engineers, we need design people. There's a lot of different opportunities in manufacturing and a lot of great ones right here in DeKalb County.
The Barron Advanced Manufacturing Program can give them some insight into there's some pretty cool stuff going on out there that maybe they had no concept or idea of.
BAM is advanced manufacturing, and manufacturing is what we do.
So what this program is trying to do is trying to expose the kids to the basics of manufacturing and get them set up for a high-paying job that they can get right out of high school.
Through the program, they're going to be coming out to several different organizations to see what we do so they can better understand what manufacturing means.
When we send our students out to work in their factories, it's not just going to work in the factories and running production. Yes, that's part of it. To learn any part of manufacturing, you have to learn how the machine runs. So getting hands-on experience of running the machine, maintaining the machine, setting up the machine, those are critical skills that the students need. The community partners, the businesses involved in this program have agreed to basically continue the education at their facility. They have their own curriculum where they're going to run them through the different sections of their factory to get them exposed to the quality controls, the CNC, the machine setup, the maintenance programs, whatever's available at those particular companies. And what's great about the 5 initial partners we have is there's a diversity of the manufacturing that's going on.
Being able to see hands-on manufacturing experience offered to our local students and to be able to be a part of that was really exciting for us.
We have an apprenticeship program in our maintenance department, so you can get your journeyman card. So basically learning the mechanical, electrical, the hydraulic while you're applying them. So it really hits home much better than just doing the book work, coming out of school. Okay, now I know electrical, but I've never touched an electrical panel. So we really focus on hands-on.
This is a dual credit program. They're going to earn credits through a local community college just by attending this high school program.
And those credits could be applied to either a journeyman's program or to a degree program.
I would love to see in 5 years for almost all the kids going through this program to be close to an associate's degree right out of high school.
I remember being a student myself, and I was more worried about what was coming up this weekend than what I was going to do for the rest of my life.
So that when students decide, what do I want to do next step, they know these options are available.
But more importantly, I think, what don't they want to do? If they are exposed to something that says, I don't want to do that the rest of my life, then let's go help them figure out what excites them and what they want to do for the rest of their life.
This opportunity will give them a chance to say, is manufacturing for me or not? Or is there something that requires more education that I should be directing myself to?
If they choose to go into the workforce right after high school, great. Kids that want to pursue an engineering degree or a technical degree, let's set them up so where they go right into college ready and prepared.
So maybe they're not going to go into manufacturing as somebody who runs one of the lines or fixes them or whatever, but they could be in that office in an HR role or, nursing at a factory or something, and they'll get a much better understanding of what's going on out there.
Right now, I'm looking for good skilled help, and it doesn't exist. And we're fighting this business. Well, don't go into manufacturing, being the parent, because that's the last thing you want to do. And that is all wrong.
Manufacturing has changed a lot. It's not just for men. Manufacturing is not the dirty job it used to be. It's a lot cleaner. It's highly automated. There's a lot of technology involved. Manufacturing is a great career for both men and women these days.
You have an amazing opportunity right here. Not many schools are doing this sort of thing. You have all this great equipment. We're going to teach you in the classroom. We're going to do lecture. We're going to do a lot of hands-on learning. Junior year, you're going to spend 1 day a week out at the partners going through their curriculum and their training as well. And then come senior year, you have the opportunity for a paid internship.
Fits the needs of the community. And it's part of, I guess, what drove all of us together is that we all experience a need in this community. There's a skills gap from what we have to what's needed for the current technologies.
And it's just an amazing opportunity for those students that nobody else just has in this area right now.